Okay, so we're just going to have a look at the new sound tool in PicoFlow ALPHA and some of the changes. So you can see this is the Superman theme song, and I've got this on pin G5, which is the auxiliary pin on the Pico dice. To mention, you've got a couple of auxiliary pins on the Pico mode as well now, which is a G0 and G1 and the G3 input pin on the Pico mode. So you could do this on either of those with a buzzer module that we do at PicoKit. And so here's the tunes. Now this, I have edited this a little bit, but most of this I just got from an import RTTTL. And so I just double clicked on the Superman RTTTL. And so I might just go through that now and show you how that works. So we'll import that, and basically that's refreshed the code to what it was from the RTTL. Okay, but now when you play some of those files that you download off the internet, you may find they're not exactly how you would think they should be. So see, this one in particular is a good example in that it really rushes this middle section, and if you're counting in 4/4 time, which this is in, well, actually it's in 12/8, I think it is, somewhere thereabouts. It sounds pretty good at the start, just this bit in the middle. And so there's a few things that you can do, like you can change the length of notes, you can change their height as well using the up and down arrows, you can change their placement like this. So I'll just show you that. So we don't want to change the notes or change the placement so much. We just want to change the duration. So you can change the duration. You can go up to a larger note. That might be too much of a step to go to twice the note. We'll just play that. Okay, so that probably wasn't a good place to increase the note. So let's just have a look. Okay, so that one's actually pretty good. Okay, so I imagine this one would be a bit longer. Instead of going up to a full note above, so going from over here up to here, we can use a dot, and that sort of adds half a note. So instead of, it's like putting those two notes together. Okay, and so I would think for those two notes, we could increase both of those by a dot, and that would make it sound just that little bit better. So let's play that again. That's actually not too bad. We could increase that. I'll increase that, and I'll click OK. Now, at the moment, we do have a bit of a bug. We're working on this, but we're just going to open that again and then click OK. That's going to update the code, and if we hit Program, you'll hear it playing in the buzzer. So this is directly off Pico dice, but yeah, basically all of the projects that we do on PicoKit, we're putting in these auxiliary pins so that you can play things like that off of your projects. I hope you've enjoyed that, how to import RTTTLs, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video on the PicoFlow ALPHA version 8. Thanks for watching.